It may seem like just yesterday that the Galaxy S23 series hit the market, but in reality, it's been nearly 7 months since Samsung's current flagship line made its debut. This passage of time signals the start of preparations for Samsung's 2024 flagship devices, including the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, all of which have now received their 3C certification. The China Compulsory Certificate, 3C, mark signifies that a device has undergone safety testing, and most devices imported, sold, or used in China must bear this certification. As per reports from MySmartPrice, the 3C certification reveals that the Galaxy S24 Ultra, SMS9280, will support 45W fast charging, the Galaxy S24, SMS9210, will feature 25W fast charging, and the Galaxy S24 Plus, SMS9260, will also support 45W fast charging. Notably, all three models will come equipped with 5G support. A key point of interest surrounding the Galaxy S24 lineup is the choice of chipset that will power these devices. While the Galaxy S23 series employed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy in all models, there is speculation that Samsung may revert to using its in-house Exynos 2400 SoC in some regions for Galaxy S24 series, while relying on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy in the US and China, possibly as a cost-saving measure. In an interesting development, the Exynos 2400 chip is expected to be competitive, featuring a deca-core configuration. Both the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 are yet to be officially announced, but there are suggestions that they might be introduced next month. The US variant of the Galaxy S24 Plus was spotted on Geekbench in July, running on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with 8GB of RAM. Additionally, prominent tipster Ice Universe has hinted at some impressive specifications for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, including a 200MP primary camera utilizing an optimized version of the 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor found on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Furthermore, it is anticipated that the device's 6.8-inch AMOLED display will offer a peak brightness of 2500 nits, a notable 43% improvement over the 1750 nits peak brightness of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's display. As Samsung diligently checks items off its to-do list for the Galaxy S24 series, it is likely that more details about the 2024 flagship lineup will emerge in the near future.